Oh, there's some deer. Okay, just take it easy. Oh, I'm gonna slow down. Just easy, guys. Not trying to get you. There's 2 deer there. And they're so good at hiding, like they're gone. Oh, there's a whole bunch of them out there. If they're still there when I come back, I'll kind of pull in there a little bit and take a peek. Yeah, so yeah, outside temperature, down 44 degrees. And the pressure 20 and 25. So that makes sense. We did a little bit of driving, heating up the tires. Let me see if the deer are still here. Yeah, they're still all out there. I'm not sure if you could see them due to how the sun is. But let me lift up my visor here. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One big one. He's probably the boss there. He's sitting saying, "You better get out here." But yeah, oh, that's cool. White-tailed deers. Thanks for coming along on this short trip. So please give me a thumbs up. Thumbs ups really help my videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.